The question says in the following reaction a chemical reaction is given here and it says x and y are x and y. It is asking about the coefficients of the reactant. Means we need to balance this equation. Okay, let's balance it. First of all, if you look at here, potassium and potassium present on both sides of the equation, and potassium is what? A spectator ion. So first of all, we can remove the spectator ion. Okay, if I break it from here, so potassium is +1, this portion is what? Minus. You can see ammonia molecule. Okay, ammonia molecule is there. We cannot dissociate it. This is also a salt. The potassium +1, nitrate ion is there. Okay, MnO2 is there. Oxide of metal is there. In this case, if I break it, potassium is what? +1, other side OH is what? Minus, and water molecule is a solvent. Okay, in this equation you can see OH minus ion is there. It means that reaction is taking place in basic medium. Strong base is present here. So when we talk about balancing this equation, we balance it in alkaline medium. Okay, now let me write the equation. Spectator ions, potassium ion are removed. Okay, so we get MnO4 minus, then we have ammonia molecule, other side we get nitrate ion NO3 minus, and then we have MnO2 is there. Remaining is spectator ion. OH minus ion is a part of medium, later we can balance. Water molecule is solvent. Okay, this is the actual equation and we can balance this equation. First of all, we write down the oxidation number of the elements on both sides of the equation. Okay, let's write down. 4 2 8 minus is there. Mn manganese is present in +7 oxidation numbers. Hydrogen, how many hydrogen? 3 hydrogen. Hydrogen attached to non-metal always shows +1 oxidation number. So you can see overall charge is what? +1 multiplied by 3 over the hydrogen, total +3 charge is there. Okay, 3 hydrogen are there, +3. Then total negative will be what? -3. Nitrogen is present in -3 oxidation numbers. In case of nitrate ion, 3 2 6 minus is there. So nitrogen is present in +5 oxidation numbers. Okay, then MnO2 is there, 2 2 4. Total negative -4. The total positive will also be +4. Okay, we have written the oxidation numbers. Now we can find the difference in oxidation number. Always keep in mind, increase in oxidation number is always oxidation and decrease in oxidation number is always reduction reaction. Very interesting. So if you compare the oxidation number of manganese, you can see +7 to +4, decrease in oxidation number. This is what a reduction reaction. Find the difference in oxidation number. 7 minus 4 is equal to 3 electron. We got a 3 electron. Okay. In the second equation, you can see -3 to +5. In case of nitrogen, -3 to +5, increase in oxidation number, and increase in oxidation number is what? Oxidation. Now find the difference in oxidation number. You can see we always subtract small value from the large value. Okay, so you can see -3 and +5 is there. So you have to write 5 minus -3, and it will give us 5 plus 3, and is equal to, we got 8. So here we are getting 8 electrons. Okay, 8 electrons. Now we can balance the number of electrons in both half equation. So I do one thing, I crisscross multiplied by 3. So 3 will come here, 3 will come here also, multiplied by 8. So 8 will come here and 8 will come here also. Okay, number of electrons are balanced. Okay, now we can balance it's okay, whatever the spectator ions are we had removed, we can bring back. Okay, we have spectator ions, we can balance it in basic medium also, but better we bring back spectator ions, because from here only we can get the answers. We don't need to prolong this explanation. Okay, so MnO4 minus we got from KMnO4, so we got 8 KMnO4. KMnO4 is there, and then ammonia molecule same as it is, 3 ammonia molecule. Okay, then a nitrate ion we got from KNO3, so we got 3 KNO3 is there, 3 KNO3 is there. Okay, and then we have how many MnO2 are there? 8 MnO2 is there, 8 MnO2 is there, and plus KOH we had removed, I write KOH, and then we have H2 is there. Okay, H2O. Now listen very carefully. If you look at here, manganese is there, 8 manganese, here also 8 manganese are there. So number of ions are balanced. Okay, If you look at here nitrogen, how many nitrogen? 3 nitrogen. This side also 3 nitrogen are there. Okay, so number of nitrogen are balanced. If you look at the equation, you can see only it is asking to find out the coefficients of reactant, only for the reactant, and reactants are already balanced. This side if you want to balance, you can see how many potassium are there, 3 potassium. Okay, this side total potassium how many, 8 are there. This potassium is also there, so you can do one thing, you can multiply by 5, so you can see how many potassium you got, 8 potassium. 5 potassium plus 3 potassium is equal to 8 potassium are there. Okay, later on easily you can balance oxygen and hydrogen. But anyway, the question does not ask about balancing hydrogen and oxygen, it is asking about the reactant. And in case of reactant we get 8 moles of KMnO4 and 3 moles of ammonia. So we have 8, x value is what, x value is 8 and y value is 3 is there. Any option? Okay, we have B option is there. Option B is correct. X is equal to 8 and y is equal to 3.